Hi, I'm Johnny, and today we wanted to show you what's new at OnlineLabels.com. First, we wanted to talk about a brand new product we have available in our cardstock material, and that's our printable wine tags. These are great if you have a wine bottle you want to give as a gift, or if you have a winery or shop that you want to use for storage or inventory. Next up, we have some exciting news about our pre-designed template section. We're rolling out a new feature that lets you choose from a list of sizes after selecting a design so you can choose the right one for your job. This only applies to select designs right now, but we're adding more to that list every day. Be sure to check out the new feature along with some new templates we've added. Know a recent grad? We have plenty of graduation templates available in a variety of sizes, making them perfect for graduation parties, favors, gifts, and more. Over on our Learning Center, we also have some new articles for you to check out, including how to use stickers to help market your business and choosing the perfect font for your designs. We'll include links to everything mentioned in the video in the description below, so be sure to check it out and visit us today at OnlineLabels.com.